Good morning, everybody. Michael here with Smart Sod. I had a question come in of what is the best time of year to lay sod? And I'm down here right now in South Florida, and this is one of our Bahia fields. This is a cow pasture that we're going to mow off in a few years or a few months, and we're going to groom this sod up a little bit, and we're going to actually harvest it for Bahia sod. So anyway, we're out here, and the question came in of when is the best time of year to lay sod? Right now it's middle of July here in Florida, and right now is a great time because we have the afternoon thunder showers and we get a lot of rain this time of year. But really and truthfully, in Florida, throughout the whole year is a good time to lay sod. This time of year, when you do lay sod, even though we have the rain and everything that we have, you have more of a chance of fungus. In the more drier seasons, in the cooler climates, in the early spring and late fall, when it could get colder, it's a great time to lay sod because then you don't have the heat stress, you don't have the drought problems with the sod because it's not getting so hot that it's actually drying the sod out. So really, the answer to the question is the best time of year to lay sod is really whatever time would fit your personal application the best. So I could say any of the 4 seasons that you choose would be the best time to lay sod. It just needs to be done to the correct time and at the correct environment at that time. Thank you.